Get future-proof flexibility and the fastest delivery program in the industry with Delcor Tri-Seal cartoning machines. Delcor's advanced cartoning lines are engineered for unmatched versatility, speed, and reliability.
Our patented intelligent positioning offers perfect graphical alignment, delivering precise, high-quality packaging for a wide range of carton styles, materials, and closure features.
With the Delcor former, packer, closer, and palletizer, you can achieve high-speed, reliable cartoning. Our Tri-Seal carton formers not only reach speeds up to 150 cartons a minute, but also perform at a guaranteed 99.5% availability, setting a benchmark in reliability. 3-minute or less changeovers give you complete flexibility on package size and format. If speed to market is important to your business, Delcor's rapid delivery program gets you up and running in no time. By optimizing the engineering and assembly process, Delcor can customize, build, and ship industry-leading formers and closers faster than ever. Just 14 weeks from purchase order to shipment. Efficiency isn't just about individual machines, it's about how the entire line works together, and our full-line solutions deliver unmatched performance. In order to fully integrate your line, Delcor has a large number of vetted and tested third-party equipment vendors. This ensures a smooth order-to-install process of your complete turnkey system. Contact us today to see how we can customize a secondary packaging line to seamlessly integrate for your needs. Ready to optimize your production? Let's build your perfect packaging line together.